Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How did you like my first vlog? So in the first vlog I spoke about how to drive safely on the roads. So today's topic is how to drive safely in the nights. So all the points which I spoke in the previous video applies to this video as well. I know the audio is still not up to the mark. I'm still working on getting some mic and everything set up so that the audio will be good. So yeah, let's start with the video. See, this is how we need to be careful. We need to be aware that in India people will cross anywhere, even in the highway. You can expect someone to cross the road in middle of the night. So always be careful when you are driving a motorcycle in the night. When you can, just don't drive in the night. So there are many factors that can impact your visibility. So basically you need to have better lights for your motorcycle. That is the first thing. So if you can't see what is right in front of you, then there is no use of talking about anything else. So let's just start with lights. So stock headlights on Dominar particularly are good enough. As you can see, this is the stock, but I still have added the auxiliary lights for this. I only use these auxiliary lights when I'm on highway like this. I think when you are in city, that is, stock headlights are fine. You can still go around because we have the street lights. So it is fine. Oh my god. Motorcycle comes with halogen bulbs. You can either change it to for example LEDs, or if you don't want to make any tamper to your headlight, then you can go with auxiliary lights. Auxiliary lights these days are pretty cheap. I think you can get it for around starting from 500 or so, and it goes, and the maximum limit can be anything based on your pocket size. Tail light is as important as your headlights. So people coming behind you should be able to see you as well. So those are also very important. And you can also have this reflective stickers, or if you have riding jacket with your reflective thing, that is also good. Next thing is you should maintain a safe distance. You should be able to brake with safe distance. If the person in front of you applies sudden brake due to any reasons, it might be. And don't be right behind them. If possible, try to be a little bit on the right side of the vehicle if you are from India. People either can be drunk or sleepy. Both things are dangerous for you. So as I said, you need to maintain a safe distance on, and always wear safety gear. And if you are the person who are not used to drive in the nights, and you have to drive for any reason in the nights, so try to take a small 2-3 minutes break and have some chai or something hot. If you're riding motorcycle in the winter season and if it is cold, your hands will become numb. Wear some glasses, or by the way, this road goes to Shamshabad Airport in Hyderabad. If it is really cold and you don't have any protection for your hand, the next best thing you can do is warm your hands with your engine heat. You can slightly touch engine, that will warm your hands. Obviously, I'm not a professional rider, as I told in previous vlog as well. I'm just here to share my experience. So if you have any suggestions, or if you don't agree with my experience, or if you have any suggestions, you can always comment. By that I can also learn, and the people who are watching this video also can learn something from you. So you should wear helmet with the tinted visors, or tinted visors will not help you in any way, and it becomes pretty difficult for you to see what is in front of you. So if your helmet has this tinted visor, what you can do is open your visor and ride. But problem with that will be your eyes and your face gets cold. That is also a bad thing, and you might feel sleepy as well, and also all the bugs will get into your eyes. So one thing you can do is buy motorcycle goggles. So those come pretty cheap. You can do that as well, but my recommendation is change your visor or have one handy which is clear and not tinted or semi-tinted or anything. There's one more thing with motorcycles is, if you're riding in the night and say if your bike got punctured, you will not find any puncture wala or any mechanic in the nights. So make sure you service your motorcycle before going out in the night. That's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Please like this video, and you can watch the video which I did previously if you are not watched. Share your feedback. Thanks for all your support. Subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell notification so that you will be the first one to watch my videos. Thank you.